Good morning, dear students. This is teacher Shubhangi, and we are going to learn chapter number 15, triangles and their properties. Practice set 36. All right. Practice set 36. Now, here we are going to learn different types of triangles. Okay. Different types of triangles. Now, in practice set 36, question 1 is observe the figures below and write the types of triangle based on the angles. Okay. Now see students here, in this case, in first triangle, if you'll see this figure, you can see that Samruddhi, sit straight, beta. Samruddhi, sit properly. Okay. Now if you'll see this figure, okay, if in this figure, in this case, if one of the triangle, if this triangle is there, if here 90-degree sign is there, 90-degree sign is there, means here this is known as 90-degree sign. Okay, if in this case 90-degree sign is there, okay, in such case we call it as triangle PQR is right angle triangle, as it shows 90-degree angle, as it shows 90-degree angle. So we can say that this is right angle triangle, as one of the angle of this triangle is 90-degree. This sign shows that one of the angle is 90-degree. If one of the angle of the triangle is 90-degree, then we can call it as the triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Okay, in such case, in any triangle, if one of the angle is 90-degree, then we can call it as right angle triangle. All right, children. Now in second figure, no angle is of 90-degree, but if you can see that this one of the angle is greater than 90-degree, this angle is 125-degree. 125-degree. So if one of the angle is more than 90-degree, in second figure, if you can see that one of the angle is more than 90-degree. So if in any triangle, one of the angle is more than 90-degree, then you can call it as obtuse angle triangle. So therefore, this triangle XYZ is obtuse angled triangle. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Triangle XYZ is obtuse angle triangle. Now, if you can see this triangle LMN, in this case, in triangle LMN, if if all the angles are less than 90-degree, all the angle are less than 90-degree, then we can say that this triangle is acute angle triangle. कोई भी angle 90-degree के ऊपर या 90-degree नहीं है. All the angles are below 90-degree. So these kinds of triangles are known as acute angle triangle. Therefore, triangle LMN is acute angle triangle. Okay. So see students, here this triangle sign, if we say that triangle XYZ, तो आपको triangle XYZ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. You can write the sign of triangle. You can give the sign of triangle and you can write triangle XYZ. Triangle XYZ. So this is triangle XYZ. You can simply note it down, triangle XYZ, like this, triangle XYZ. Put the sign of triangle and then XYZ. So triangle, this we can say this as triangle XYZ. Okay, okay. We can say this as triangle XYZ. Here in this triangle PQR is right angle triangle. Triangle XYZ is obtuse angle triangle, as one of the angle is more than 90-degree. And if all the angles are below 90-degree, then it is known as acute angle triangle. So this triangle is right angle triangle. Triangle XYZ is obtuse angle triangle. Triangle LMN is acute angle triangle. All right, children. Now move to next question. Okay, this is question number 1. Okay, this types of triangle is based on the angle, measurement of angle. Like triangle PQR is right angle triangle, triangle XYZ is obtuse angle triangle, and triangle LMN is acute angle triangle. Okay, now move to the second question. All right. So second question is, question number 2 is, okay, question number 2 is, observe the figure below and write the type of triangle based on its sides. Okay, observe the figure below. Observe the figure below, and write the type of this triangle based on its side. Write the type of triangle based on its side. Okay. So here observe the figure below and write the type of triangle based on its side. We observe question number 1. In question number 1, we observe the figure, and on the basis of angle, we give the type of the triangle. We give the type of triangle, means right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle. Now in question number 2, if this sign represent equal, see this sign represent equal, means in this triangle ABC all the sides are equal. This sign denotes equality. This sign denotes equality. Now in triangle ABC all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal in a triangle, then we say that triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral, equal. Okay, if all the sides are equal, then we say that this triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Okay, if all the sides are different, see in this case, this is the sign of one side, this is the sign of second, means ये इसके equal नहीं है, D is not equal to EF, and this side is again different. ठीक है? All the three sides are different. Okay, in a triangle, if all the sides are different, then we say that we call that triangle is scalene triangle. If all the sides are equal, equal means equilateral triangle. If all the sides are different, then we call it as scalene triangle. And if two sides are similar, see this sign represent if two sides are similar. ठीक है, ये दो sides जो है वो similar है. If any two sides are similar in a triangle, then we can call it as the triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So if all the three sides are equal, equal means equilateral. If all the sides are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle. If all the sides are different, then it is known as scalene triangle. If any two sides are similar in a triangle, then it is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Understood, students? Please give me response. Have you understood all question 1 and question 2? Very good, Shreya. Very good, Vedant, Sudhanshu, Harsh, Shrishti. Very nice, Janvi. Very good. The students who pay attention properly, they understood the questions and they understood the questions properly. The students who gave proper attention, they understand the questions properly. Okay. Question number 1 was based on angle, type of angle. If one of the angle, see, if suppose, wait a minute, students. Suppose if one of the angle in a triangle, for example, if this is triangle, I'll ask you one question based on this. Okay, give me response. Okay, first of all, I'll draw the triangle and then I'll ask you one question. Okay. Okay. Now see students, if one of the angle in this triangle, for example, if this is triangle A, B, and if this is C. Now tell me student, this triangle ABC is which type of triangle based on angle? Which type of triangle it is? On the basis of angle, we have seen three types of triangle. So triangle ABC is what? Very good. Shreya, Aditya, Vicharat, Shubham, Ananya, Pragati. Very good. Samruddhi, Srishti. Very nice. Very nice. Harsh. Harsh, you're wrong, beta. Tanuja, good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So students, if this triangle ABC is which type of triangle it is? As one of the angle is 90 degrees, so we call this triangle as triangle ABC is right angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. As the angle is 90 degrees, so we can call it as right angle triangle. Now, students, tell me if this is triangle X, Y, and Z, and if one of the angle is more than 90, means for example if it is 110 degree, so which type of triangle it is? Which type of triangle it is? Let me know in chat box. Very good. Sanskriti, Lokesh, Shreya, Aditi, Janvi, Vicharat, Shaurya, good. Shreya, Sudhanshu, very good. Very good. Right answer, beta. Aditya, right answer. Um, Srishti, Harsh, right answer. Tanuja, right answer. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. So if one of the angle is more than 90 degree in a triangle, then it is known as obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degree, then we can call it as right angle triangle. If one of the angle is more than 90 degree, 90 degree ke above 110, so this triangle XYZ is known as obtuse angle triangle. This is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now, this triangle, for example, PQR, if one of the angle is 45 degree, another angle is 67, if one of the angle is, for example, 50 degree, okay, another angle is, for example, 70 degree, okay, and this angle is of 60 degree. Then what this triangle is known as? Okay, on the basis of angle, acute angle. Very good. Sanskriti, Shreya, Aditya, Lokesh. Very nice. Nancy, good. Vedant, Durvesh, right answer, beta. All of you have given right answer. So, triangle PQR is acute angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Triangle XYZ is obtuse angle triangle. So, on the basis of angle, uh, uh, triangles can be classified into three types, like right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. Okay, and on the basis of sides now, on the basis of sides, the triangles are classified into three types again. Which type? If the three sides are equal, all the three sides are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle. If all the three sides are different, then it is known as scalene triangle. If any two sides are similar, then it is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. All right, children. Then move to next question. Now in question number 3, as shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to school. Which way is shorter? Like when we come to school by walking, and if our house is nearby to the school, then what happened when we want to go to school more earlier? So we choose, sometimes we choose shortcut. If we go with our friends, then we usually go by any way. But if we are in hurry and we want to go to school more earlier, because if we are getting late to go to school, and if we want to reach the school more earlier, so what we do, we choose one of the shortcut road so that I can reach the school more earlier, right? So in such a case, this question is given that Avinash is standing near his house, means he is, see this Avinash, this boy's name is Avinash. So this Avinash is standing near his house. This is his house. Okay. He can choose from two roads to go to school. Okay. So which way is shorter? Which way is shorter? This is his school. ये उसका school है. Okay. And this is his house. Okay. He is standing near his house and he want to go to school. He reached to go to school. Okay. He reached to school. Which way is shorter? And explain why. तो ये टू वे से जा सकता है. या तो ये अविनाश ए बी पहले जाएगा और उसके बाद बी सी से जाएगा. ठीक है. और एल्स ही कैन गो टू स्कूल डायरेक्टली बाय एसी. ठीक है. ही कैन गो टू स्कूल और ही कैन रीच द स्कूल बाय गोइंग विथ एसी रोड. ठीक है. नाउ which way is shorter? Explain why. Now in solution it is given the two roads which Avinash can choose to go to school are road AB plus BC. As I told you, he can go to school by road AB plus road BC, right? AB plus BC. Second, he can go to school by road AC. ठीक है. तो he can go to school by one way, that is AB plus BC, or else he can go to school by road AC. ठीक है. The three roads together form triangle ABC. तो अगर ये AC से जाएगा या AB plus BC से जाएगा, तो ये क्या फॉर्म करेगा? ट्राइंगल ABC, right? Road AC is shorter. This road is shorter. Why? Because sum of the lengths of any two side AB plus BC of a triangle is always greater than the third side. ठीक है. तो always keep in your mind that sum of the lengths of two sides, means AB plus BC, is always greater than the third side. Sum of the lengths of AB, means sum of the lengths of two sides, is always greater than the third side. Therefore, a road AC is shorter. So why road AC is shorter? Because the sum of lengths of two sides is always greater than, means AB plus BC is always greater than AC. So therefore, road AC is shorter than AB plus BC. ठीक है. So these two road forms a triangle, and the road AC is shorter because the sum of lengths of two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay. So why Avinash is standing near his house? He can choose from two roads to go to school. Which way is shorter? So he can go to school by road AB plus BC, or else he can go to school by road AC. Which road is shorter? So road AC is shorter than road AB plus road BC because the length of the third side is always shorter than the sum of lengths of two sides. अगर दोनों sides का हम addition करते हैं, for example, if road AB is 5, if road BC is 5, and if road AC is 7, So अगर हम sum करते दोनों का 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 is always greater than 7. So sum of lengths of two sides is always greater than the third side. Therefore, road AC is shorter. All right, children. Now next, let's move to another question. Okay. Now question number 4 is the length of the sides of some triangles are given. Say what type of triangles they are. Length of the sides of some triangles are given. Okay. For example, here it is given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Means the lengths of the sides of some triangle are given. Now see students, if this is a triangle, okay. Now if this is 3 centimeter, okay, this is 5 centimeter, and if this is 4 centimeter, okay. So this is the length of the two sides. If the length of the sides of some triangles are given, say what type of triangle they are. Okay. Now here 3 centimeter, one of the side is 3 centimeter, one of the side is 4 centimeter, one of the side is 5 centimeter. Is there any equality in these sides? अगर ये 3 centimeter है, ये 3 centimeter है, ये 3 centimeter है, ऐसा है क्या? No. So this is not an equilateral triangle. Okay, because if all the sides are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle, as I told you earlier. If any two sides are similar, अगर ये 3 centimeter है, ये भी 3 centimeter होता, तो then it is isosceles triangle. If all the sides are different in a triangle, for example, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So no two sides have equal length. It means all the sides are different. Therefore, it is known as scalene triangle. So 3 centimeter, all sides are different. All sides of a triangle are different. Therefore, the given triangle is a scalene triangle. Okay. All the sides are different. All the sides of a triangle are different. Therefore, the given triangle is a scalene triangle. Okay. Now, next one is second question is what? 3.4 centimeter. For example, if this is 3.4 centimeter, second one is also 3.4 centimeter, and the third side is 5 centimeter. Now here in this case, one of the side is 3.4 centimeter, another side is also 3.4 centimeter. So students, let me know in chat box which type of triangle it is. Isosceles, very good. Isosceles. Iso means same. Iso means what? Same. If any two sides of a triangle are same, then we can call it as isosceles triangle. So the two sides of a triangle are same. Therefore, the given triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Therefore, the given triangle is isosceles triangle because the two sides are same. Therefore, the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Yes, clear everyone? Now let's do another sum. See, in this case, in question number 3, first example is 4.3. Then second side is also 4.3, and the third side is also 4.3. Now student, all the sides are equal in a triangle. So which type of triangle it is? Let me know in chat box. Equilateral triangle. Very good. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle. Since all the sides of a triangle are equal, then it is known as equilateral triangle. Yes, clear everyone? Everyone understood this? Yes. Now let's move for another sum. Question number 5. Now here, the length of the three segments are given for constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn. Give the reason for your answer. See students, here the lengths of the three segments are given for constructing a triangle. 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn. मीन्स हाँ ये जो साइड दिए हुए हैं उससे हमारा ट्रायंगल फॉर्म होगा क्या. गिव द रीजन फॉर योर आंसर. तो हमको आंसर बताना है. वेट अ मिनट चिल्ड्रन. Now here 17, one of the side is 17 centimeters, second side is 7 centimeter, third side is 8 centimeter. Okay. Now मैंने as I told you earlier, if the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, then the triangle can be formed. ठीक है. For example, see, if this is one of the triangle, okay, this is the third side. Okay. Now if this side is 3 centimeter, for example, this side is 5 centimeter. Okay, this side is 5 centimeter, this side is 4 centimeter. Okay, this side is 3 centimeter, this side is 4 centimeter, this side is 5 centimeter. Now how can we call that this sides can form a triangle? तो if the sum of any two sides, sum means addition, अगर हम लोग एडिशन करते हैं दोनों साइड्स का, if it is greater than the third side, then it forms a triangle. For example, 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. और यहाँ पे ये साइड जो है वो हमारा थर्ड साइड हो गया. तो थर्ड साइड कौन सा है? 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो द सम ऑफ टू साइड्स इज ग्रेटर than the third side, therefore it can form a triangle. So in this way we have to solve the sum. Now here first side is 17 and second side is 7. Okay. Now 7 plus 17 is equal to how much? 24. Okay, 24. And the third side is what? 8 centimeter. पहले हम ये दो cases लेंगे, 17 और 7, and the third is 8. So 17 plus 7 is 24, and this third side is 8. So sum of two sides is greater than 8. Now we can take another two sides, 17 and 8. ठीक है. Now 8 plus 17 is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, and greater than 7, third side is 7. Now we can take हमने सबसे पहले 17 और 7 लिया, फिर देन हमने 17 और 8 लिया, तो तब हमारा थर्ड साइड हो गया 7. Now we can take these two sides, 7 and 8. Now 7 plus 8 is how much? 15 centimeter, but this 15 is not greater than 17, therefore that this triangle cannot be drawn with side 17, 7 and 8 centimeter. Okay. So in C, the sum of lengths of, in case C, the sum of lengths of two sides is not greater than the length of the third side. Therefore, the triangle cannot be drawn with side 17, 7 and 8 centimeter. I'll share my whiteboard with you. Okay, so that your concepts get clear. Please pay attention, everyone. Everyone, please pay attention now. For some time, I have closed chat box for you. After once my teaching has been done, I'll open one chat box. I will open chat box for you. Okay, so students, please pay attention. Okay, now here, how many sides are there? 17 centimeter. Okay, then second side is what 7 centimeter, and the third side is what 8 centimeter. Okay, so these three sides, we want to decide whether these three sides can form a triangle or not. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम कौन सा साइड लेंगे? 17 + 7 वाला, ये दो साइड लेंगे. हमको तीनों तरफ से साइड्स का एडिशन करना है बेटा. तो 17 सेंटीमीटर plus 7 centimeter, okay, which is equal to 17 plus 7 is how much? 24. So here 24 centimeter. Now this 24 centimeter, right? This 24 centimeter is greater than which side is remaining? हमने 17 और 7 का सम लिया और 8 सेंटीमीटर ये हमारा थर्ड साइड है. तो 24 centimeter is greater than 8 centimeter, right? So this will form a, therefore this will form a triangle, right? Now let's take another example. Now सबसे पहले हमने 17 सेंटीमीटर, ये हमारा ए केस हो गया. ठीक है, ए केस हो गया. ठीक है, this is our A case. Now in case B, we will take 17 and 8 centimeter. 17 और 7 हो गया, तो अभी हम 17 सेंटीमीटर plus 8 सेंटीमीटर करके देखेंगे, which is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, which is greater than again how much? 7 centimeter. Okay, which is greater than 7 centimeter. Okay, now in case C, if we'll take an example, that is 17 7 हमने लिया, टू साइड 17 8 लिया. अभी कौन सा टू साइड बाकी है? 7 सेंटीमीटर plus 8 centimeter, which is equal to 7 plus 8 is how much? 15 centimeter. Okay, which is smaller than what? 17 centimeter. Okay, which is smaller than 17 centimeter. 17, which is smaller than 17 centimeter. So condition, as per condition, if the sum of two sides are greater than the third side, then only then it can form a triangle. But ये तीनों के लिए होना चाहिए. A may be sum of two sides is greater than third side. B may be sum of two sides is greater than third side, and C may be sum of two sides are greater than third side. But ये C condition में, as per the rule, in this case C, the sum of two side, we can write it as, in case C, the sum of two sides, is not equal, is not greater than is not greater than the third side is not greater than the third side. Therefore, therefore, the given side, or else we can write down, therefore, the triangles cannot be drawn by this side. The triangle cannot be drawn with these sides. Okay, you can write by your own word. Okay, you can write it in your own word. आप अपने मन से कैसे भी लिख सकते हो. In case C, the sum of two sides is not greater than the third side, therefore the triangle cannot be drawn with these sides. Okay, आपको जैसे लगेगा suitable होगा आप अपने words में लिख सकते हो. Because as per the rule, the sum of two sides should always be greater than the third side. Case A में the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. In case B, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. But in case C, the sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. Therefore, the triangle cannot be drawn with these sides. Okay? Understood, everyone? I'll open chat box for you, and please let me know whether you have understood it or not. Okay? Thank you very much, everyone.